Red. And I've been representing for Pretty Girl Storm. And I say, Pretty Girl Storm. When me in your house, me no want to live. When me in your house, me no want to live. She lock me down on the house arrest.
No. So Nicole, if she asked me and you got divorced, and I said yes.
No, Janet. Janet, we are not Nicole.
But that not really, Nicole, listen, that not relevant, Nicole. Remember, I didn't tell him family, them son never me. I didn't tell him family. You hear Joan come out last night and tell us that me and Hugo don't married. Because Joan know. Don't Joan come out and tell you clear last night? Joan
about you.
Come out and tell us that Hugo call her about to get married.
Puss.
But you never hear Joan, you never hear from my mouth, so Hugo eat my pussy last night. I didn't agree with what Joan said.
Listen to me.
So
I didn't listen to
I agree with that.
Just like I hear them saying a lot of things.
Oh.
I did not hear from you.
Nicole, listen to me. No, Nicole, what you saying are relevant. Because you hear Joan come and tell us, and me, Hugo.
Done it.
Hold on, Nicole. No, Nicole, no. You hear Joan did that.
Friends.
You hear Joan say to you, say. Nicole, you hear Joan did that say to you when time about the married. And Dari asked about married. Dari said, yes, they're married. Joan said, no, they don't married. Yes, no, them don't married. I said, Joan, your mouth are bad, yo. And Joan start explaining. Am I right, Joan?
That's how it got. Dari, let me tell you.
That's how it go. And then Dari said to you, say you got divorced. Yeah, you got divorced.
To me,
you got divorced.
Clear up that career. To me, it was not.
But him clear up and clear up. And Janet never was married to him.
Janet came, he said no.
Jesus Christ.
He gave a clear answer.
But that him said, but Hugo said it, Joan. Remember, Hugo tell him from, remember, Tanya come out. Hold on, man. Remember, Tanya come out from Candy Lake Show. Come say, Hugo say married to me. So what the problem? Is him said it. So him for clear it up.
Puss now get the point, you know. She now get the point.
Joan, me no want, listen, we don't need to get the point because there's no point to get. Last night, Dari said to me, say, Puss, so you and Hugo married? Me said, no. She said, Puss, started truth and Hugo married and you got divorced. Me say, yes, we divorced. And that's me say, we never prolong the argument about that. Today when Dari asked me that, me think about different things, people think about that.
Janet, you can wait a minute. Wait a minute, Janet. Wait a minute. Because this man come and attack like him never wants certain things and him never this and him never that. This man make me give him information when Pussa linger. That's me I tell Pussa, me I say Pussa, Janet, nobody with no big nothing. Cause all them people.
Remember say you all send 50 pounds. Remember you all send 50 pounds. Joanna, you send 50 pounds. Forgive me, but I say Joanna, take back your money because I not go do nothing. Can you say you go do it behind her back and surprise her? I say Joanna, take back your money.
Wait, no, Janet. Make me talk, no. Cause I don't, hey. Dari. Yeah. That man begged me to talk to Janet till me give the information. You hear? And me give the information, don't forget license, this, that. And with all when me I try, it couldn't go through because of Janet. Because at once, me I tell us me did get for like him, because true me I say, you know, him have our back. Me never know say is a real mama man. Me I say him have our back and thing, and me I say, Puss, just married to him before you go back up. You know, and me all along a beg her. Me send money and she make me go take back my money.
We can't hear.
It come like a Puss live with it talk. Find
all of this brother come out and talk, and that's why at first me never want Janet to say nothing. To just leave him, make him just make him.
You know what me say? What you want? Hold on. When Dari said to me, say when Dari come with the argument to them, I say I cuss me because when Dari come with the argument to them, same time I said to Dari, say the one same time I even answer Dari at that time, and I just going on. Me say Dari. You know, so the same Pilot Campbell say, oh, she got to bring up surfer ticket with me and you go married. And make she find the surfer ticket.
Yes, I am business private. Yes, I am business.
No, I'm not
Yes, I
talk
am
with that one. Yeah, when me say that my business private, but me come back now and say to you, say, Pilot Campbell, when Barry starts about the part, no, Barry did this track with the Pilot Campbell same time. So me I said, Pilot Campbell say, oh, she got charged for bigger miss. And you go and me attack, say me and you gonna marry. All right, I'm going on the She I say, oh,
Stop strength the dirty people them, no, man. Stop strength the dirty people them, man.
well, I'm yeah, so she has said to me, say,
Joanne, it don't know you already talk. I'm never repeat it. If you know how to deal with things. Look how we dare them come after me and diary. Me could have given
all right, Joanne, hold on. Hold on, Joanne, sit here. Hold on, Joanne. Sit here. Yeah, and you're alive. You said you is not. Hold on, I'm going to read this, Joanne. Listen to Joanne. You said you don't marry to. You say, all right. Remember, I don't see the evidence now. Hold on. Because if the enemy can have the evidence. All right, listen this. You on your live, you so bad. I call. You go on a live and you said, you have Israel, you cannot do that. You don't remember being, and you don't, and you said, all right, you said you don't remember married to Hugo, but public record will, you lies that you never married to Hugo. See, Pilot Campbell said, yeah, you lie that you never married to Hugo. The marriage surfer ticket will be on Instagram. We have order one, stop lie Puss. You went to jail and married the madman. So when I said that, that's when I tell you, I said, Nicole, when I said never make sense. Because the enemy can send me there on the live and say me never married to you, but oh, you never get that.
Nobody not clear about nothing. The only person know the truth is you and you.
Okay.
Nobody else
All right, but we are telling you, said them know. Listen, because guess what? Hold on, Nicole.
A minute.
But Nicole, see
wait a minute there. If you married out, if you did go out jail, go marry this.
Hold on.
Or the marriage at Jamaica would have got to. When me come to do a married 2 times.
Hold on, Joanne. So when she send back now,
you know the inside scoop. Nobody know none of that. If him did want married or a Jamaican.
Hold on, Nicole. All right, Nicole. All right, hold on. Nicole.
We don't know.
All right, hold on.
No, me just
Nicole, hold on. Let me speak now.
We done it, just read.
Hold on. So she says she gonna get proof. I'm getting proof to drop it and stop lie. You will charge for bigamy because you married a madman in jail. That's what she takes, yeah. So me send her a voice note and say, go and get the surfer ticket because there is no marriage. That's why now, maybe that's why them ask you got that question they know since night. Because me say, me and you gonna marry. So them already know that.
Everything, of course. That's why them ask him, of course. Because them are trying to clear up.
Because through them, them say me and him married, you know. Them say, we are gonna get the surfer ticket and drop it on Instagram this man. Oh, we're gonna drop the surfer ticket because you lie, but you don't marry to Hugo. That's what me telling me. Did said it, Nicole.
I said to you, everybody else is guessing. The only person know the truth is you and you.
No, but when I try to say to you, remember. All right, Nicole, listen this now. Hold on, Nicole. And last night, I said this on the live, and at this morning, them coming on my inbox with this. Say me I tell lies, say me no married to Hugo, and me did go to prison, go married to the madman, and them I go get the surfer ticket and drop it on Instagram. See there? Them I go drop the surfer ticket on Instagram. Yeah? So me married, you understand? So if them hear clearly what I said. I did say, no, me and you gonna married. And there is a true, and a true, me say, no, me and him divorced. That's the last thing me said to her. So you never hear, you just maybe hear the divorce. But I did say that. That's why she coming on the inbox for what I said.
That's right. But when you said about the divorce.
That's what me I tell, but I did say no to. I did say, all right, that's why, listen, you know, that's why she said no. When me say, that's why she said no. Okay, well, that's why she. But see there, the enemy have it clear. Because the enemy coming on my inbox this morning and say, me I go charge it bigamy. Them I go send me paperwork to home office and me I go charge it bigamy.
Puss, make I tell you my point of view. What you said yesterday was not a clear answer. It was not clear.
Nicole, maybe not to you. Nicole, listen to me now. All right, hold on. That is your point of view. But hold on, Nicole. Nicole, you say just a say so. Nicole, and fair enough, and nobody not running you down, but when I said to you, say, that is to you, but to other people it was clear, because see the enemy coming at me inbox, and I show you exhibit, so you need to listen to the exhibit. You never, all right. You, oh God, man, no, Nicole, listener, remember say pilot camera coming on the inbox, see ya? You don't remember you're married to Hugo in public. Nicole, come on, man, Nicole, man, you talk already, man, speak, look, I told we are speak. No, she's not guessing. She's not guessing. She said, you're on your live. See that? You're on your live. You're on your live. Said you don't married to Hugo, and it's a lie. We're going to contact Home Office and we're going to drop. We ask for the surfer ticket. See that? You don't married to Hugo. You went to jail. You went to jail and married a madman. Look, we go see that. We actually going to get the public record. See that? We're going to get the public record. You realize that you never married to Hugo. See that? Hugo, we're going to get the public record, the surfer ticket. See that? She said it's a public record, so she go and get it. Because me lie, say me never married to Hugo. So you come out now and make it make a big deal, Nicole. And you come out now and make this make a big deal.
No.
You shouldn't make this make a big deal because it don't make sense. Hold on, Nicole. Let me talk now, Nicole. Nicole, hold on now. Yeah, me know Nicole. This is relevant, Nicole.
Relevant. That's what we've done.
It don't relevant, Nicole.
It's not relevant.
To her face, she now go back a Puss, go make a face.
Wait, but Nicole, it's not relevant, and you still got over it, Nicole. And if me tell you, say, when Diary asked me, said no, if Candy was on the live, well, Andrew, if Candy was on the live, Candy could have come and tell me, so I said, no, Diary, me and you go don't marry. And you say, so you're divorcing.
Let me come out.
I say yes. I say yes. That's why Candy I say, but Puss down. You don't need to come out. That's why Candy I say, but Puss down married to Hugo, so Puss can't give you something. You know what here, Candy I say so. So because you maybe hear the divorce, but you never hear me. I did say no, me and Hugo don't married. I did say it. That's why I'm coming on my inbox today and saying this. So them are gonna get the public record.
Nicole has stated her opinion, guys. She's not attacking Puss, and Puss is not attacking. Puss' voice just a little bit stronger. Oh no, if you comments them now and make it like a something different. Like calm down.
No,
it's not a
because no, it's not in the comment. Because when me try to Diary, when you said that to me since night, me come turn to you and say, Diary, Paulette Campbell I said she gonna get the surfer ticket. For my married surfer ticket because it's a public record, and I said me wait for she get it. Because there is no surfer ticket for she get.
Alright, let me tell you, what the first night when you said it, I wasn't too sure. I'm not gonna lie to you, Puss. I wasn't too sure.
But I said it. It doesn't matter if you're sure or not. I said it. It doesn't matter if you're sure or not. I said it.
Listen now, me understand what you are saying. But just I said at first I wasn't sure. Tonight, when I tell me say your business private or whatever. But then me figure it out, say, you mean no, we're not married. But you know what, come bust it and make him look bad because I'm going to say to him.
No, really. This ain't look bad. It don't feel look no bad because I already said that from yesterday already. And I already said that from yesterday already. So I don't care about no look bad. But if I know same time I go in on my phone and I say, Paulette Campbell says she when Barry talk about bad this truck. I mean I say, yeah, I see him Paulette Campbell I say she gonna get surfer ticket with my wedding. I mean I wait on it because there is no surfer ticket for she get.
Yeah, but
all I remember is last night if she was asked specific, are you and Hugo married? And she said no. I have it on tape. It's on recording. She said no, we're not married. Plain. So for you,
okay.
It was a plain, straightforward question and answer. She said no.
Okay. Of course. I did. So that's what I tell Nicole. I said
on my page. I'm not gonna go look for it. Anybody wants to see it, go look on Candlelight backup page and look through the lives.
That's what I tell Nicole. Said I did. Said no.
Janet, you can't talk. That's what was on that way you shout so far, man.
Me not shouting to you, me just get directed. The bipolar kicking. No, but because Nicole run me down, hold on, Candy. Nicole run me down, and me I try to show Nicole. So the reason why Charlotte came come in on my inbox or Red Boot coming there and I said that is because the answer that I give last night
being used, it was a specific question. Are you
answer? Yeah.
And she said no.
Run the tape. When I need to hear your voice, just run the tape.
No, I'm not running anything. Anybody want to hear it who don't believe it and think they heard otherwise can go watch it.
I start the part there and put it out that people not going to go through your side.
I'm not going through it to please anybody. We did 4 lives. I'm not. I know what I heard and that's
Listen, and that's why Candy come back and say, Puss and you gonna marry in a year. Puss, I don't know what somebody Candy say. You know, she said, Puss and you gonna marry. So Puss can give her the coochie who married woman and give it like dirty Dan. You remember Candy did say that?
Candy did say that. I think
that's exactly what I said.
Okay, and that's the reason. Okay, so that means that's what me tell us. I did say no.
Guys,
that's why me I get irritated because me I tell Nicole what me say and she tell me.
I understand, Puss, but I just think that because you say no with divorce, I think that is what confused her.
No, me never say no with divorce. I never say that. It's you ask a specific question. You ask it. You ask me a question and then after you say, Puss, tell me the truth. You ain't married or you divorced. You come back and you say, Puss, tell me the truth. You ain't married or you divorced. And I say, we divorced. But maybe at that time, Nicole hear that. But the first question you asked me, you said,
I'm coming back.
do you and you go